Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you that how to use Jquery in Squarespace, and also I will test a button in order to show that Jquery is working or not. Okay, so for this, first of all, I will copy paste the basic script code of jQuery into the header of the website in Squarespace. Okay, so this is the simple script of jQuery to use. First of all, copy this code and then go to your admin panel, click on setting option and then click on developer tools, then click on code injection. Okay, keep in mind script code of jQuery is already written in the header of the website, but keep in mind you need to put the code in the header of the Squarespace website. Okay, so for this, simply click here and paste the code. This is the script of the jQuery and then save. Now your jQuery is totally injected into the Squarespace, but we want a test on this button. Okay, so I will use a pre-built code. I will share the link of the code in the description of the video. So here is the simple code block which I will use to test the button. So keep in mind every new JavaScript or jQuery code will be written in the footer of the Squarespace website. Okay, so again below the header area there is a footer area, so simply click on the footer area and paste the code which I just copied. But keep in mind you will rename or replace this class with the other class of the button or the id of the button, so in that way it will work with button. So now I will see that either that button is containing the id or class. So right click on this and then find out the id of the button. Here is the id of the button, click button. Simply copy this and then paste here in with hashtag. Okay, now your click button id is written in the jQuery script. Now simply save the script and then refresh this page. And you will see that a pop-up will occur on the top of the website. So here jQuery is working on the website. So this is the simple way to add a jQuery in Squarespace website.